Hi guys. So today I'm going to show you how to create a Google search campaign. So all you need to do is come here to the create campaign button. So you get the option of new campaign, resume draft, resume campaign draft, or load campaign settings. So what this simply means is you can create a new campaign from scratch. You can resume a campaign that you were creating previously that maybe you got cut off. Then you can load a campaign settings from a previous campaign that you've set up. So since I'm creating a new Google search campaign, I'll I'll go with the new campaign. So basically, Google gives you the option to choose your objective, whether you want sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, awareness and consideration, local store visit and promotion, create a campaign without a goal. So I always go with create a campaign without a goal because I don't want any kind of restriction and I want a lot of flexibility. So I always go with this option. So Google the under the select a campaign, you have your search campaign, you have your performance marks, you have your display campaign, you have your shopping campaigns, you have your video campaigns, you have your app campaigns, you have your smart campaigns, and you have your demand gen campaigns. In this tutorial is mainly focused on your search campaign, so that's what we'll go with. Then in a subsequent video I'll actually teach you how to set up conversions for your Google Ads campaign through Google Tag Manager. But in this tutorial I'll just skip to the next step. So select the results you want to get from this campaign. So you can either use your website visits, phone calls, and app downloads. But basically, you can ignore this option. This option only helps it only helps when you want to generate keywords for the campaign. So what you can do is just enter your website. Let's use cotton hq.com. I'm just picking a random website. I don't really have any affiliation with that site. So the campaign name, let's say cotton hq campaign. So as regards your bidding strategy, in a subsequent tutorial I'm going to go through the best bidding for different kind of businesses. But as regards this campaign, normally I use the manual CPC bidding, but Google doesn't give the option to change it here. They only allow you change it after the campaign has been set. So normally I wait till after I've set the campaign, then I go in to edit it, then change this the CPC method, the bidding method. So let's just keep going. So basically you can advertise to people on the search network. Ads can appear near Google search results and other Google sites when people search for that for terms that are relevant to your keywords. Basically I don't use this option when I'm running search campaigns because Google is just trying to make more money here. So because the truth is, when you're running search campaigns, everything needs to be targeted, everything needs to be calculated, everything needs to be calculated, everything needs to be targeted properly, so that you don't waste your money. Because these options that Google is including here, um, like for you to include Google search partners, it depends on the kind of campaign you're running. Sometimes including this can work, but most of the time I don't include them. I only use these two options when I'm running displays. I only use these two options when I'm running display remarketing ads. So let's just take that out. Then I'm going to choose my country, Nigeria. Then Google gives two targeting options here for you to choose people for you to choose people in your target area, and people who are interested in your target area. What this simply means is that if somebody's in a subsequent video, I'm going to explain how keywords work, but I'm just going to do like a brief explanation here so that you understand. So now, like if someone searches on Google, let's say since we are using Cotton HQ, let's say the person wants to buy chainsaws, and the person is, let's say, is located in somewhere in Europe, and he puts maybe chainsaws in Nigeria. So the person will be able to see your ads if you choose this option. But if you choose this option, as long as the person is not in your target location, like if the person is in Europe and he puts chainsaws in Nigeria, he's not going to see your ads. So that's how these two options works. But basically I use this option when I'm working with local businesses. But when I'm running ads for my agency now, that is a digital marketing agency that can provide services to anyone around the world, I mostly go with this option. So since we are using Cotton HQ for the test, so let's use that option. So as regards language types, so what this means is the default language that was picked, that you picked in you when you created your Google account. So what it means is only people that have English as their default language will be able to see your ads. If you choose English, if you choose Chinese, that means only people that have Chinese in their in their language, that as only people that selected Chinese in their language on their Google Gmail profile will be able to see your ads. That's how it works. So as regards keyword match type, I told you in a subsequent tutorial I'm going to explain everything about keywords and how match type works and which will go best for your business depending on your budget. So ad rotation. So basically what this means is how often do people see your ads. Like if you create more than one ads, I'll show you what ads are in a subsequent video. I'm going to talk about what ads are, how you can create multiple ads in an ad group. So basically, how often do you want the ads to show? So if you pick this option, that means Google would show the ads based on which one they think is performing best. But I don't always use that option. I prefer using do not optimize, rotate indefinitely, so that at the end of the day I will be able to see all the data, and if I want to choose certain ads, I'll choose it myself. So as regards ad rotation, so this is just more like a schedule for your ad. As regards ad schedule, this is just more like a schedule for your ads. You can choose from Monday to Friday. So basically, if I'm working with a company that just works from 9 to 5 working hours, I just set the ads towards that time so that the ads just runs when they are in the office and they can get leads for their business. So it's just this very straightforward. So the sample website we are using in this tutorial, uh, the Cotton HQ. Basically, if I was actually running these ads, I'll probably use my target keywords here on the link part. Let's see, chainsaws. Then call extensions, depending on the kind of campaign I'm running. Most of the time I use a call extension. So basically what call extensions are like, as you can see here, this is what a call extension looks like. It's more like a larger real estate, gives you a larger real estate once your ads show up on Google. You also have, this is a location extension. So I'll actually talk about extensions in another tutorial, so you'll be able to understand everything about extensions and which you'll be needing at what time. So because my Google business profile is linked to this account, that's why you can see I'm having a location extension showing up. If it wasn't linked, you wouldn't see anything there. So let's just use portable table source for the headline there. So normally I always write the first letter in capital letter. Just makes it more stands out. So most of the time, my headlines, my descriptions, site extensions, site links, call out extensions, all these things I would have prepared before starting the campaign. So I'll just come here and copy and paste it into it. So most of the time I prepare the campaign beforehand before coming into Google Ads and setting it up. So call outs, I'll just pick a few that has been set from other previous campaigns, but as I said, I'll spend some time talking about extensions in a subsequent tutorial so that you understand everything about it. I don't really want this tutorial to be too long. So as regards your budget, can set a custom budget if you want, or you can pick the recommended budgets. So basically that's how you set up a Google Ads. So basically that's how you set up a Google Ads campaign. It's pretty straightforward. As I said, I'm going to explain what extensions are, what keywords are. I'm going to explain what extensions are as I said, I'm going to explain what keyword match types are in the next tutorial that you see. I'm going to explain what keyword match types are in the next tutorial, so you can just continue watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and just continue watching the next video. Thank you.